Dear guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this property like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. Its review rating is 6.8. The category 1. You can see on the screen room details like view, size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities and images, etc. Now let's discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, in this hotel, one type of room is available on Gudang.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the hotel is outstanding. Guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this hotel is 1 p.m. and check-out time of this resort is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and they will help you.